हेलो एवरीवन। आज के इस टॉपिक में हम टीजीटी बायोलॉजी में जूलॉजी के पोर्शन से एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट्स एंड देयर एलिमिनेशन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन सीरीज़ लेकर आए हैं, जो कि आपके एग्ज़ाम की पर्पज़ से बेनिफिशियल रहेगी। और आप अगर इस सीरीज़ के क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आई होप कि आपके एग्ज़ाम में जब इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आएंगे तो आप उन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सही कर सकेंगे। तो उसी सीरीज़ में ये हमारा नेक्स्ट पार्ट है, जो हमारे क्वेश्चन की सीरीज़ है। सो द लूप ऑफ हेनले इज़ द मोस्ट हाईली डेवलप्ड इन मैमल्स, पार्ट थ्रू विच arteries and vein enter to leave the kidney is called hilus. Urinary bladder is the vascularized by vascular artery. Cell name podocyte occur in inner wall of Bowman capsule. A bird differ from a reptile in the absence of urinary bladder. हमने स्टडी पॉइंट चैनल के थ्रू जो बायोलॉजी टीजीटी की प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करवाई है एज अ क्वेश्चन सीरीज़ के फॉर्म में, ये आप लोगों को तब तक प्रोवाइड होती रहेगी जब तक कि आपका सिलेबस क्वेश्चन सीरीज़ के फॉर्म में कवर ना कर लिया जाए। और आप इनको देखते रहिएगा, इनकी प्रैक्टिस करते रहिएगा, जिससे कि आपको इसका ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाभ मिल सके। So, healthy human does not excrete out in his urine alanine. A Malpighian corpulus is combined name for a glomerulus and Bowman capsule. In a mammalian, kidney loop of Henle are situated in medulla. The vital, morphological and physiological unit of mammalian kidney are uriniferous tubule. Malpighian body is vertebrate is a part of kidney and is involved in the formation of urine. Blood vessels leading to glomerulus is called the afferent the arteriole. Blood vessel draining the glomerulus in the mammalian nephron is called the afferent arteriole and is narrower than the vessel entering it. In mammalian kidney, Bowman capsule of the Malpighian corpulus occur in cortex. In a glomerulus, afferent arteriole is thicker than afferent arteriole. Proximal and distal convoluted tubules are the part of nephron. Hemodialysis is associated with kidney. Which one of these are not a part of uriniferous tubule? Collecting duct. Volume of urine is regulated by aldosterone and ADH. Malpighian body is constituted by glomerulus and Bowman capsule. Bowman capsule is lined by squamous epithelium. Number of nephron in each kidney of man is about 10 to 12 lakh. Uriniferous tubule are mainly concerned with removal of urea from blood. Brush border is characteristic of proximal convoluted tubule. Nephrons are connected with excretory system. Which one of the following is present in kidney? Glomerulus. Loop of Henle is found in nephrons, kidney. The glomerulus of the nephron is contained in Bowman capsule. The animal that excrete amino acid without diminution is Unio. With respect to mode of excretion, which type of organism bony fish are ammonotelic. Aquatic animals are mostly ammonotelic because excretion of ammonia require large amount of water which is available to these animals, percentage of which increase in blood if liver become functionless. Ammonia. Nitrogenous excretory product of frog tadpole is ammonia. Ammonotelic animals are predominantly aquatic. Chief nitrogenous waste product in urea of frog is urea. Urea is produced from ammonia in the body of rabbit or man in liver. Urea is transported by blood plasma. Major nitrogenous waste product in ureotelic animal like rabbit and other mammal is urea. Urea is breakdown product of amino acids. Nitrogenous waste is excreted mainly as urea in frog and ammonia in tadpole. It's a very important question for your zoology section. देखिए ये क्वेश्चन जो है आपका बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट इज एक्सक्रेटेड मेनली एज यूरिया इन फ्रॉग एंड अमोनिया इन टैडपोल. मैन इज यूरियोटेलिक. A man has taken a large amount of protein in his diet. He will excrete more of urea. Urea is derived from amino acid. The animal which retain urea for hypertonicity is elasmobranch. Which one is the most soluble in water? Urea. Which of the following sets of animals produce the same substance as their chief excretory product? Frog, monkey and dog. Uric acid is excreted by pigeon. Which of the following are uricotelic animal? Lizard and crow. Uric acid is the chief nitrogenous component of the excretory cockroach. Ureotelic condition is found in shark. The least toxic nitrogenous waste is uric acid. In reptiles, uric acid is stored in cloaca. Marine telestfish excrete TMO. Excretory product in spider is quinine. Excretory product of mammalian embryo are eliminated by placenta. In a very young embryo, the excretory material are stored in allantosis. If benzoic acid is present in the food of mammals, it is excreted out in the form of hippuric acid. The excretory product of excess metabolism of creatine is creatinine. Ultrafiltration occurs through basement membrane. Ultrafiltration occurs in glomerulus when colloidal osmotic pressure plus capsular pressure remain less than glomerular hydrostatic pressure. In comparison to blood plasma, percentage of glucose in glomerular filtrate equal. Function of glomerulus in rabbit kidneys, blood filtration for urine formation. Filtration fraction is the ratio of GFR and RPF. The glomerular filtrate contain urea, uric acid, glucose and water. So okay, आपके जो ये क्वेश्चन थे इनके अभी आगे भी आपको क्वेश्चंस प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे. आप इन्हें पढ़िएगा, इनकी प्रैक्टिस करिएगा और हमें आशा है कि आपके लिए ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहेंगे. प्लीज़ अगर आपको ये सीरीज़ पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ आप इसे लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करिएगा. थैंक यू.